IT20 batch number 23 Senthil Kumaran batch.
உன்னோட லேப்டாப்ல இது இந்த மாதிரி எடுத்துட்டு கனெக்ட் பண்ணு. எஸ் நீ என்ன பண்ண முடிச்சிட்டு
Department of Information Technology, final year. So I'm a leader of this team, Tech9. So in front of my team, I thanks to everyone of staffs, mentors and professors and faculty for organizing this event to express our knowledge in front of everyone. So we have planned to do a project in the domain of agriculture, food tech and development, rural development in the title of AI-driven crop disease prediction and management process. So it is a software-based project. So we are planning to do for the hackathon. It is a platform to identify and analyze the disease of a particular crop, and it not only predict and analyze, it also given about what kind of disease may affect to that particular plant and where the pesticides will available, what are the remedies can take. So such kind of information which will present in our project. So it is addressed by using early predictions. So we have to collect the data and identify the particular disease of a crop. For example, if we consider a crop of paddy, it may consist of numerous number of diseases. So we have to collect each disease data and we have to train it with the help of AI model. So for an innovation, we use AI and a web-based application to access to a website. It not only predict but also provide an information about a disease. For example, if a person was beginner for the farming field, nowadays everyone do a farming. For example, terrace garden likewise. So everyone do a project farming in their home as well as the field. So if they are a beginner, they did not about if the plant is affected by any kind of disease. So for that we are doing this project. So no one did not about knowledge about that crop or disease. So they should capture a picture of a particular disease and upload in our website, which will provide what kind of disease may affect to that crop. So it may be due to some environmental condition as well as the climatic conditions, or it may be affected through by rodents or any insects likewise. All those information which will present in our website, but also it will provide where which kind of pesticides will cure that disease. So where it will be available. Likewise, it will come under this our project. So what are the technologies we have used like programming language? We use Python and JavaScript for doing this project. Frameworks, we use TensorFlow Keras because it is a AI model. So it contains numerous computational complexity. For that to reduce the computational complexity, we use TensorFlow Keras frameworks. For backend, we use Flash, and frontend we use normal frontend tools such as HTML, CSS to maintain a user interface with the user friendly. So hardware, we use the cameras and drones to collect the images. But in our project, we did not use cameras or drones. We use an existing data which is available in our online. So with the help of that, we are going to train. So methodologies we use already told data collection. So we have to collect a disease of a particular crop. Not only a particular crop, so each and every crop consider numerous number of diseases that can be collected. So which may cause to environmental factor or any other climatic conditions or any other rodents may affect that or insects may affect a disease. Likewise, we have to collect the data with the help of sensor and existing data which is available in online, and we have to pre-process it. So if we need a particular part to identify in a plant, so we have to do resizing it or applying some filters. Like this, we have to use this in a data pre-processing, and that pre-processed data which will be used for model training with the help of AI. So we implement it in a cloud for real-time accessibility, and prototype we used to showcase for predictive analysis as well as the remedies treatment. So feasibility analysis, which is nothing but technologies. I already told we use an AI technologies and IoT technologies. With the help of these technologies, we are going to do a project, and financial support it may provide a cost effective because we did not need any pathologist or any therapist to provide a medicine for that particular time. If we have a smartphone, they will just capture a picture and upload in our website. It will provide what kind of disease may affect, what remedy it can cure. So likewise, and where it is available, so that guys it's going to provide online, so it is a financial cost effective, which are open source to available all and affordable hardware. So potential challenge in our project, we believe these are the potential challenge, which is the data quality. So in case of AA, we are doing a project with the machine learning as well as the deep learning. So it needs an enormous amount of data. So further collection of data may be challenge and farmer adaptation. In a normal area, which is nothing but in a rural areas, we have to adapt our farmers to provide information about these are the things which are present. You just keep it and likewise. So these are the challenges we believe we are going to face, and the strategies to overcome this challenge, we use the data partnership. So if we partnership with the agriculture department, so they have a number of graphs and data of a disease likewise. So it is easy to collect the data for a large amount of data with partnership of agricultural institutions and a training support for our farmers. We do canvas for the rural people to aware our website and what kind of disease. So likewise, so with the help of this partnership and training support, we may overcome this challenge. So this is a potential impact. So it not only used for a normal people, but also farmer educated. So anyone can use it. It's an open source. It will increase the livestock of a human as well as a farmer as well as the agriculture product. It will not only increase the economy of a farmer, but also the agriculture related products. Who are using the agriculture product, or what kind of product, or pesticides or any fungicides they have in a shop, or pathologist. So these are the things which will provide economic to the agriculture related problems. And the benefits of the solution may be it increase the environmental growth and make a precision farming. So with the available data, what kind of we may increase our crop management. What type we can go to increase our crop yield. Likewise, it may inform the environmental fact, and it will also increase the economy as well as the social community. So as a loss, it is nothing but we are planned to do an AI project with as a web application. So everything will be automatically given. If you just apply a normal picture, it will going to provide all those information. So from this we have used a reference from Kaggle as well as Hackathon. So thank you.
Good morning everyone. Myself Neetu Krishna from BEIT final year. I would like to thank faculty members for this opportunity. Our problem statement comes under the theme Heritage and Culture. Our problem statement title is Student Innovation, which is ideas that showcase the rich cultural heritage and traditions of India. Our problem statement, the solution of our problem is to preserve and increase the culture of our India, especially the traditional games we have followed in our country. It is used to preserve and educate about the traditional games and cultural activities. The problem addressed is our cultural games and activities are lost due to the documentation and we are unaware of it. As we know, our country India is a contains rich cultural heritage, and most of our countries and most of the states which have different types of traditional activities and games. As a South Indian, we have known a limited number of games, but we are unaware of the games, which is when we go to the North Indians, we are unaware of the games and those cultural activities. So this problem statement is used to educate and to preserve our culture and to promote the cultural activities. So it is a digital platform. In this, we used to capture the real-time pictures of the games. It will recommend the name of the game and the origin of the game and the similar games which is similar to the game. So it is based on the AI model. With the help of the AI, we are preserving our culture, we are understanding, we are educating our traditional games. So it is the technical approach. In this, we are using the client-side modules and the server-side modules, and some of the AI modules which are used in our project is CNN, that is convolutional neural networks for the image recognition, real-time capturing of image and the recognition of the image, and natural language processing for the text analysis, which gives under the recommendation, and collaborative filtering for personalized recommendation. It is a recommendation system or recommendation algorithm which similarly gives the similar games which comes under the particular game, and what are the risks and challenges as we are unaware of our cultures. So the challenges and risks are cultural sensitivity. So representing our tradition may be some difficult in challenges, and user engagement, attracting the users and educating them will be a risk. And the strategies or regular updates of the games, regular feeding of the games maybe comes under the strategies. And the potential impact on the target audience is, first one is culture preservation, as already shown, understanding and appreciation of our traditional games and cultural activities in our younger generation, and educational values, promoting our cultural activities through education. And the benefits of the solution on social is cultural enrichment, educational engagement. Economically, we are using the open source modules and some of the open source tools, so the economic cost would be low compared to the hardware. So we are using software platforms. So it is a problem statement. Thank you.
My problem statement here is extracting and verification of information from semi-categorized data. Semi-categorized data in the sense it is the supporting documents that you are submitting in any applications, such as if you are submitting a job application, you have to provide some sort of documents such as Aadhaar card or your mark sheets. So from that, they are submitted as images and PDFs. They are semi-structured because they have information in them, but they are not in a structured way. They are in a image format. We have to, for verifying that, that will be some workers in the background will manually verify these documents against your data provided. So our problem addresses the automation of this problem, of automation of this task. So let's see what it is. So our solution to this problem is to introduce a automated pipeline that will extract the data inside a document. We have to train specific models for each and every document types. For example, for an Aadhaar card, we have to train a model that will extract the data, the name, the numbers, the addresses, etc. Then we have, it should provide a structured data for verification, for further verification process. So further we can use techniques such as image enhancement. Image enhancement is the process of making the documents look cleaner, and other techniques such as text localization. Text localization and OCR. OCR refers to the process of optical character recognition. It basically converts the images into text. So with these techniques, we can integrate the system into our pipeline. Thereby, we can verify the documents very positively without human intervention. So, what is the technological stacks we are using? This system is entirely can be written in Python. Specifically, we can use PyTorch as a library for building the deep learning model. It is a tensor library for building deep learning models. So we could then build a user interface with the Django or Fast API integrated with any other front-end frameworks. But mainly, this is the system. So if you can see over the model diagram here, documents are fed into a pipeline. First is an image enhancement pipeline. It will increase the quality of the image for extracting text from it. Then we have to proceed this processed image into a YOLO model. YOLO model will detect where the text and which field is in that text, and it will extract it, and that segmented images, that text, the individual fields extracted from the output of the YOLO model will be fed into a OCR model, and the OCR model will provide us with the structured data. So with this structured data, we can cross-check with the data information provided by the candidate and this data. So is this solution is feasible in today's world? Yes, it is. As our computation power is increased drastically over the year, it is possible to handle this heavy computationally required task. So what could be the challenges, what could be the limitations in this project? So OCR can struggle with poor quality images. If a user uploaded a poor quality images with very very dark or very unseeable documents, it will struggle in finding the characters. If the document is not in English, if the document contains non-English characters, it could struggle a lot, because most of the trained models today are trained in English or English languages. We have to train a special model for different languages around our country, in our country. Another one problem is variation of document formats. If a same document, for example, a caste certificate or community certificate in olden days and today's community certificate are different. So if user with old certificate and user with new certificates uploads the documents, a model can struggle to find the data, structured data in that. So further we have to train on a wide range of documents. So what is the impact of this proposed solution? This solution will speed up the document verification. So the speed of the document verification will benefit both the employer and the employee, or the person who wants the data to be verified fast, and it decreases manual labor, thereby reducing the cost. And it is capable of handling a large volume of data. So if in the place of verifying 10 documents, we could verify about a million documents. With that scale, we could use this model for a large variety of tasks in large variety of places. So what are the benefits? Accelerating recruitments. With this process, we can drastically improve the recruitment process. So if the recruitment process is faster, it will increase the productivity of the organization.